Yo, ek is baie teleurgestel aangesien ons hierdie ding so vat en so maak. Ek wil net die story clear maak. I just want to make this thing clear. I'm not saying what Sunny Boy did is right. Ne? He cheated, yes, it's wrong. But the way we are doing this is wrong. Ne? We are too quick to judge when it comes to certain things, forgetting that we are human as well, and we also have problems and have bigger issues than what Sunny Boy did. So I would just like to ask the nation, please not to put this in another level of breaking the person through his music and using his music as a victim. So yes, he did wrong. I'm not saying Sunny Boy did something good. He did wrong. Yes, it's wrong, Sunny Boy, it's wrong. But we are forgetting, ons vergeet, né? Ons het ook groter probleme. So wanneer die splint uit die ander man se oog uitdaal, vergeet dat jy ook 'n splint het. In terme van, hy is gevang. Hoeveel van julle doen dit, maar is nog nie gevang nie? So moenie die ou se naam in die mat wil trek. Vroumense, mansmense wat video's upload en die ou se musiek en alles. Come on, guys. We are too quick to judge, forgetting about our own problems. Ons het groter probleme as wat Sunny Boy gedoen het, joh. So, my fellow Namibians, kom ons help mekaar en kom ons, that's where gender-based violence comes in. Because now you guys are posting things on Facebook, Instagram, and whatsoever, and telling and saying all sorts of things. How do you think Sunny Boy takes this? He doesn't probably take it lightly, or probably he's in depression. So what we are doing now is we are forcing something. Yeah, Sunny Boy can stand up tomorrow and say, yeah, the nation is saying this, and boom, goes to his girlfriend's or his ex-fiance's or his fiance's wife and cause something else. So guys, let's support instead of destroying each other. One Namibia, one nation. Let's keep it up, man. Stop this thing of negativity and throwing stones towards one another and saying all sorts of things. Let's rather help, protect, and build the nation. There is already this virus, no magela no history erg. So please, moenie ander man se stoep vee, terwyl jou stoep veilig is. That's all. Thank you. And please don't get me wrong. I'm not saying Sunny Boy is right. I'm going to repeat that. I don't want this going around and say, yeah, this guy is saying what and no. Sunny Boy is not right. Sunny Boy is wrong. Daar is cherries wat cheat. Op ouens wat lief is vir hulle, wat alles vir hulle doen. Daar is ouens wat dieselfde doen. Maar vandag wil jy oppose en sê Sunny Boy en die music video, it's wrong. Fix it. Sharp.